This recognition is her professionalism and steadfast commitment to student success, both academically and behaviorally. Her dedication.
And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
All right, next page. The adverb is a word that describes a verb. Really listen on that because it's all about the adverb.
This is what happens when kindergartners have never had a DJ dance party.
This is Sea Lion leader Cole Walker with this week's announcements. April is month of the military child. Did you know there are over 85 students at McGaw who have a parent in the military? Thanks for your service. McGaw will be celebrating the military child all week long. Monday is a big day for McGaw. At 8:15, we'll have the big TNT dunk squad and the inflatable race assembly. 4th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Monday at 2:30 p.m. The all-district band performance is being held at Los Altos High School gym. You should check this out if you love playing instruments. Math lab is on Tuesday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Go to room 30 and your teachers will take you to your classroom. 5th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. McGaw's 4th grade music performance is on Tuesday night at 6 o'clock. Everybody enjoy the show. Jogathon prizes keep coming. On Wednesday, students who raised over $1,000 will have their special Nerf party. Math lab is on Thursday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Check in at room 30 and your teachers will take you to your classrooms. Friday is the last day to turn in OSS paperwork and complete ECO's registration. Make sure you're all ready for camp. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
During the month of April, McGaw honors the sacrifices of our youngest members of the military by observing the month of the military child. We recognize and honor all of our Sea Lions who serve for their bravery, sacrifice, resilience, and strength. We salute you. Here are some sea lions who are proud of their military parents.
What is your name?
Mia Vasquez and Irish Vasquez. My name is Burma.
My name is Roman Ibarra. My name is Julie Ibarra.
What branch does your dad work for?
The
Navy.
Coast Guard? Yeah, Coast Guard.
My parents work for the Army.
Do you know what Dad does for work?
They both do big jobs.
My mom does supply and my dad does medic.
Search for bombs with our dog Serby. And
Is your dog in the military?
Yeah, just one. Yeah.
He brings the boats in and brings the boats out.
Do you think you'd be good at Daddy's job?
Yeah.
Yes. No.
Why?
Because if there's like war happening, I don't want to see anybody die in front of my face. Or like, if something happens, like, I'm not going to be prepared for that.
Good. Why?
Because my dad told me how he works, and he like brings the buoy out, and that's how the boat doesn't drift away.
Why?
'Cause it looks kind of easy.
Do you like that your mom and dad are in the military?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why?
Because we get to move everywhere, and I get to have new friends every time.
Why?
Because it helps the world. He
And
helps people
get safe.
Why?
Because I'm wonderful, and they're best at their job. And I like that my mom's in the military because like whenever like somebody's not here to take care of me, like I could go to like her office and just like relax in there, and me and Mia play like principal and stuff in it, and it's like really funny.
So are you Mr. Larson or Ms. Wood?
Miss Wood. We love Miss Wood.
What is your favorite thing about your dad?
And my favorite thing about my dad is that I love my mom because she's pretty. He makes fun and stuff, and we always get to do family stuff.
Daddy works in the military.
and he gives us stuff after he's gone for a while.
And I love my dad because he's like really funny and like
he's back here.
Yeah.
How much do you love your mom and dad?
So much.
So much.
How much do you love your mom and dad?
Infinite. Infinite. $1 billion. $1 trillion.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Okay, good job, guys.
What is that?
A robot.
All right, turn it in.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's kick it off by celebrating UTK student from Miss Tochioka's class, Jaden Lorea. She says that Jaden has been a professional student. He's been doing his work and trying his best. Way to go, Jaden.
Kindergarten.
The beloved Mrs. Baker gave a raw buck to kindergarten student from Mrs. Hess's class, Elle Montimer. She said that Elle cleaned and organized the bookshelf. She was never asked to do this. She's a great classroom worker, too. Way to go, Elle.
First grade.
Mrs. Jenks from the Media Center gave a raw buck to first grade student from Mrs. Garcia's class. Put your hands together for Charlotte Archibald. She said that Charlotte is a pleasure to have in library class because she's an enthusiastic student who uses kind manners. Thanks so much for spreading that raw behavior.
Second grade.
Mrs. Brendel wants to shout out second grader Sammy Villa. She said that Sammy waited for everyone to check out a book and carried the tub to class, even using some of his own recess to do it. Thanks so much, Sammy, for being a great student.
Third grade.
Mrs. Anya in the art lab wants to shout out third grader Vincent Hoffman. She said, thank you, Vincent, for taking the time to help your table to clean up. Responsibility matters here at McGaw.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Dodd wants to shout out 4th grader from Miss Alvarado's class, Luke Nguyen. She said that Luke was showing compassion for a peer that he thought was being bullied. Thanks so much, Luke, for being an upstander and taking care of your friends. We appreciate you.
5th grade.
It's my honor to celebrate this 5th grader from Miss Yuson's class. Put your hands together for Delfino Luis. Miss Krista said that Del is always ready to try new things in music, first to sing along and always happy to be there. We appreciate you, Del. You are a McGaw legend. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!